When we think of modern conflict, we usually picture maps of the ground. But today, the most critical front line is actually 500 kilometers above our heads. Welcome to the orbital front line. Every minute, thousands of satellites scan the Earth, guiding our ships and spotting threats in seconds. But there's a problem. There is simply too much data for humans to watch alone. Plus, signals from Earth take time and can be jammed. That's why artificial intelligence is now the brain of the aerospace industry. Space AI allows satellites to make decisions without waiting for Earth. This operates on three pillars. First, surveillance, spotting anomalies across millions of miles in seconds. Second, navigation, filtering out noise to protect GPS signals from jamming. And third, space safety, tracking over 30,000 pieces of space junk to prevent catastrophic collisions. How does an AI see from orbit? Imagine a parking lot. Yesterday, 50 cars. Today, 51. Using Edge AI, the satellite instantly detects the change, like a mobile launcher that wasn't there before. Instead of beaming a massive, raw image file back to Earth, it only sends the crucial alert, saving vital bandwidth. A human analyst then verifies this ground truth. But an eye in the sky that never sleeps carries massive risks. If an AI misinterprets a weather balloon as a threat, it could trigger a diplomatic crisis before humans intervene. And if AI satellites fail to coordinate, a single crash could trigger the Kessler syndrome, a chain reaction of collisions that could make orbit completely unusable. The space race of the 20th century was about getting humans into orbit. The space race of the 21st century is about getting intelligence into orbit. By keeping AI resilient, responsible, and human-checked, we can ensure space remains a vantage point for peace rather than a theater for chaos.